Black Rocket Rapper. Reserve champion 2, Link Hardy in Copper Street. In our beginner jumper division, champion today went to Madison Ward and Rosmel's Rook and Roby. Reserve champion 2, Grace Angel and Doodlebug. In our novice jumper division, champion today went to Travis Massey and Lexus. Reserve champion 2, Mary Montague and Billy.
Yeah, I'm better. I'm better. I like to see that. Yeah. Oh, good. He's waiting for Matthew.
That'll be a clean first trip, recording.